Okay, I want to do a quick ranking of the folks here and only display the top ranked people. So I'm going to go through and I'll do rank, and then based off of that I'll say equals rank, and I want to check the score, and the reference that I'm checking that against is here, and the order that I want in there is I'm going to do descending order, so the highest ones is up there first. And then when I copy this down, I want absolute cell references here. So F4, that puts absolute cell references. Click in here, and now I have my rank. And you'll notice that I don't have a third here. If I had a 908, then that would have Mark would be in third, but instead at 909 he's tied. So the next thing I want to do on this is I'm going to go through and I will, from the home thing here, let's format as a table, pick whichever one you like best, and then sorry. So my table has, it popped up on a different screen. So my table has headers, and now I have this format as a table. I want to, since it's formatted as a table, go through and do a number filter. I'm just going to do the top one, so let's just do the top three, and based off the top three items, okay, so now you can see that it shows the top three items on there, or the bottom three, as you might want to look at it. So that goes through and shows this. Let's clear out my filter from the rank real quick, and quite honestly I don't know what this will do, so let's go here for Mary and let's put a 909 in there. So now we have a three-way tie for second, just out of curiosity. And now let's do the number filter, and we will say actually there's a better way to do this. Let's do this as less than or equal to 3. Okay, and then we want to sort on the rank, and now we have where that we have a three-way tie for second, so we have 4 people in there. If we had someone's score was lower, then we can have, let's see, go through the filter again, and so less than or equal to 3.